Track and field now. There could be help for schools in Western Jamaica as the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the JAAA, is exploring ways to help student athletes recover and compete at their best. On a visit to the Manning School, JAA's treasurer Ludlow Watts and other members of the association met with some of the coaches and athletes who have seen their training curtailed by the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
They will also have indicated that both transportation to go to camps, training facilities, all of those things are problematic. Some of them don't even have uniforms to go to school. So we will be looking to see areas in which we can assist. We didn't make any commitment, but we will be making some assistance, providing some assistance in terms of enabling them to compete in athletics further on, and also in terms of providing some limited amount of uniform to enable them to attend school.
The JAA's delegation gave gift packages to Manning School, Froome Technical, Petersfield High and Godfrey Stewart High Schools.
The gift package is just a little. It's not a little. We just want them to know that we know you are suffering and we want to be there for you. And as the JAA's believes in the development of athletes as they should do. And we have been doing it, but we have done a lot more than what we have stated publicly, and we will have to start doing that now.
This is the second such visit by the JAA's to Western Jamaica in 2 weeks, as the first stop was in Hanover.